Wait, cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers.
Oh my God. First of all, we've been COVID tested, we're safe. The air has been purified, we've been tested, everything is clean.
It's the first time we've seen each other since this all started.
Do you want to make out? Oh hell no! So today we're gonna be here trying this color changing Empress gin.
So with the acid from citrus, it changes to like almost a pink color, which is just, we love pink. We love pink. We love pink. And we love alcohol.
Welcome to our channel.
If you've ever been to like a really fancy bar or like craft cocktail place, the thing that sets it apart from your Applebee's like margarita, you have like nice, clean, sometimes hand-carved ice cubes. How do you ask, do you get nice ice at home? Like, I'm not gonna sit and carve ice myself.
No, we're gonna make it by pushing one button with our fancy New Air powered ice maker. Thank you to New Air, who did send us a whole ice machine.
And cleared out some room in Lauren's freezer for all of her Costco goods, which look, if you know her, you know she has a lot of Costco
We're
stuff.
A bulk family, baby. So I have already gone ahead and made some ice, and by that I mean just poured some water into this bad boy, pushed a button, and now here we are, rich in beautiful cubes.
We threw out the ice trays, people. They're gone. You know when you have people over, and like I guess we don't do that anymore, but like one day when we can have people over again, you like have to go and buy ice that like you have to slam on the ground. This is like you just have it out, you give people a scoop, and you tell them to go crazy.
To go
and then they leave your house and you have all the ice to yourself.
New Air is gonna stop sponsoring us because we're cursing. So you better like this video and also check out the link below. I have a discount code. It saves you, I think it gives you $50 off.
And they have other products too that are pretty cool.
Because we're obviously not hype enough, we're gonna begin with our beverages, which starts with ice.
Did you notice that pivot because she couldn't open the glass when really she was just...
Is it that?
Oh, it's like crushed ice.
Yeah, and it tastes better.
Well, it's not crushed, but it looks, that's so cool. And if you're anemic, like me, and you like chewing ice, these are like prime. So this is, let's target this at anemic. It's my favorite snack.
First off, we got an elderflower water.
Ooh.
I like elder. Okay, gin is my favorite alcohol with ice. Which a lot of people I know are like, gin, rubbing alcohol, gin, motor oil. But gin just feels clean.
It's herbaceous, it's clean. It's like really classy. Like if you're like, okay, imagine you're at a bar, a guy or a girl, whoever you're into. They order, like what's the hottest drink to order? I feel like it's like a gin and tonic or like maybe a bourbon.
I'm gonna say it's along with gin. I love elderflower.
Me too. It's really good with lemonade too. So we're, I mean, do you see the connection? I
don't know, I got a San Pellegrino in sparkling grapefruit beverage. I got us a rose cordial. Ooh. If we're getting a little too excited. Just for you!
I love CBD.
Sparkling water and cucumber mint.
I'm not even 100% convinced that like the CBD you get at the grocery store works, but like, honey, we love a placebo effect.
This is the Jacobson honey simple syrup with sea salt. This is not only, oh, I should have offered you some for your coffee, because this is delicious in cocktails, but also for coffee.
This is very like farmer's market chic.
Finally, to continue our trend, I got this dry botanical bubbly lavender. So we got all the things, and then just in case we're getting a little too wasted, because I haven't drunk, like I'm a very social drinker, since we haven't been able to be social in 6 years.
I get migraines from alcohol, which sucks. So I kind of have like now my new thing is that like if I'm gonna get a migraine,
I'm gonna go for it.
I'm gonna make it worth it. I do not condone binge drinking. I don't recommend anyone do it.
Soak up the alcohol. I also got us some unicorn wheels.
They're upside down.
Goodbye.
I'm about to be Emily in Paris. I'm about to be Miranda in Paris.
You like that show, didn't you?
I mean, it is bad. Everything everyone says about it is true. I love it.
So I think what we should try first though is the ice.
Oh. Wait, cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers.
Oh, you crunch. My body would never.
I told you I'm anemic. She's over here letting it melt slowly in her mouth.
I just spat it out.
Okay,
I lost it. Back where it came from.
Can you play the song?
Diamonds are forever.
Does ice taste better as an ice connoisseur that you are?
I think you should crunch it. It's really. I want to know literally in the comments, like, who chews ice? Is it really that weird? I
don't think it's that weird. I recognize I'm the odd man out.
You have a lot of tooth anxiety too.
Yeah, my teeth stress me.
For someone with like a great set of chompers, she has a lot of anxiety about them.
Have you ever had a nightmare where all of your teeth
Yeah.
fall out? Oh, I just chewed a little and I regret.
Wouldn't it be better if it like converted you? You're like, I chewed ice and it changed my whole life. Oh, that is sound. I'm gonna eyeball a shot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look how pretty, gorgeous. It's very like blue, very blue.
My cup is smaller.
Your cup is smaller.
I didn't do it intentionally.
She was like, I'll pick you up so that way you don't have to drive. Like, I should have known she was planning this.
Should we just try it as
on the rock? Sure.
Well, just like straight. I've heard it's actually very. I gotta go.
Oh my god.
I've heard it's good. Yeah, it's good gin.
It doesn't even really taste like that much like alcohol. I did a little sip, but it's like really, really smooth.
I did do a little sip. I was playing
That's
Dota
really,
earlier.
really good.
Yeah.
I also am changing the subject. I played Dota earlier. I'm like, back to the gin.
I want to test subject the life out of this. Like, let's just graveyard all of this.
Yeah.
Start with this.
Okay, cool. You know what I love about the Italians? That they cover this thing with the foil because
That's
like
disgusting
ew.
otherwise.
You know what I mean? That's like gross.
You know how I feel like an Italian would say bitch? Bitch.
Biaccio.
Biace!
Biaccio.
Biace!
Did you guys see that? Oh my god, that's so pretty. I maybe put too much in because I was like
Watching it
really
unfold.
excited.
No, a little bit did it though. Look at that! It's still blue at the top!
Oh, that's really cool. It's so pretty.
Biace.
Okay, biaccio. How do you say cheers?
Unsubscribed.
How do you say cheers in French?
It's when it's like to your health, Sante.
Sante. I should know that from Emily in Paris. Wait, I'm gonna add some of this elderflower water to it.
I think we just make a concoction and then
like-
drink it. We'll start fresh.
There's a lot of booze in here. I feel like it tastes like just super refreshing. And you know what else I'm realizing I really like about this ice is that if you're not using a straw, which we're all trying not to because like, you know,
Save the turtles.
You know how like when you have big ice chunks, you like try to sip it and all of a sudden they get backed up and it like goes down? It doesn't happen with this. And then, you know, sometimes you get a few extra ice cubes in there and you get to chew them.
Just crunch away.
You know, I'm just gonna put like a few
Have that.
dashes.
Do we need a stir stick?
Poor Lauren is like literally the best host ever and hasn't been able to host people in so long. Oh my god, they're so pretty. They look like the thing that floats above Spyro in the only video game I've ever played is Spyro. Okay.
Did you put some in mine?
No. Oh my god, I don't know. I'm gonna do blue.
Would you like more ice?
Yes.
From our new Air Nugget ice maker.
Okay, so this is our next iteration. We're doing the same gin. Now we're gonna do it with lemon. So I think it's gonna have the same effect, but I wonder if it'll be like more intense or something. Yeah.
Should we do the rose or should we do the honey?
Let's do this one and then do the rose next.
I think we're gonna do honey and lavender lemon.
But bubbly, yeah. I wanna know about like more, does anybody know about any other like what do you want me and Lauren to try? Because we wanna do these videos more often. So it's like what cool, I don't know. Does it have to be a drink? A trend? I don't know. What do you guys wanna see from us?
Ooh, that layer. I'm just so satisfied when I know it's like, isn't sugar, like the more sugar content, that's what stays at the top.
Yeah, or like viscosity or something. I don't know.
Okay.
What do I look like, Bill Nye? Okay. Ooh, jazz hands.
Oh! His layer
Weird.
Can you see?
It's like floating in there. We gotta mix it up.
Give me a glass.
Shake that glass for me.
Shake that glass for me.
Shake that glass for me.
Oh,
This is me and Lauren one drink in. Ooh, it's like a mauve.
That's pink.
It's like a pink mauve color.
I'm just saying, this is a good quarantine activity. Even if it's you yourself, just like oohing and awing.
What a
at the
good,
color change.
it is good too, like to have a good like party trick.
What's your party trick?
And I feel like, oh, I would love to do this. I can do rainbow shot.
My party trick is that I can make a shot glass out of paper.
I can make a shot glass out of someone else's belly button.
Let me show you a magic trick. Look at the color. It's like a sunset. Hold on, this lighting is so trash. We have to move. Excuse me.
My opinion on this drink is it's like more intense. Like the other one was like very refreshing, more watered down. This one is like a little more intense. It's probably actually better for like the season right now.
The honey really.
Is it too much?
No, but I'm aware of it. You want a unicorn wheel?
Yeah. Oh, I was saying my party trick is rainbow shots. I can pour out of a shaker into glasses, and as I pour, it changes color. And I bartended for years, you guys, so like that was my one, and it tastes like shit. Like if you get the one, they're so bad because the thing is, it's layered. So if you get like the middle one, you're getting vodka, but if you get the one at the end, it's just like full grenadine.
I was gonna say we should order Taco Bell, but they got rid of the potato.
If I went to Taco Bell, I got the potato and cheese griller. I'm not a burrito gal. The 7-layer burrito, like I just don't go.
A few minutes later.
Lauren told me how much debt she was. And this is it's like so weird and inappropriate to talk about this on your channel, so we can cut this out, but like,
cheers.
She told me how much debt she was in, and I was like,
the school I went to cost $35,000 a year.
yeah.
You go there for 5 years, you know how much that costs.
You guys don't go to college because you're gonna end up getting drunk in front of a camera.
Thank you, New Air. New Air is questioning.
New Air.
You're questioning a lot right now, but I promise you this ice is good.
One debt to society later.
Should we refresh? Okay, we're into our last round.
And we're gonna use this stuff. The rose cordial.
I'll put these away for now. I can't open this bottle.
Twist and pull.
I can't.
You don't know the old twist and pull technique.
I don't have to do those things.
You know what? Some of us can't just get by on our high cheekbones and platinum hair. We gotta learn skills.
Look at this America or France. We are Emily in Paris. I am America's country.
Oh my god, it's a bomb pop, bitch. Vote. Oh no, should we do some CBD on top for the white?
Oh, I forgot we got that.
Oh, it's mint and cucumber.
We're gonna have 4 rounds.
Oh no.
Let's make it happen, boys. This is like drinking a bouquet.
Is it too much?
I might have in mine.
It is just like really floral, but I think it's fine.
I put lavender in mine just to add to the party.
Yeah, she's just drinking a bath bomb at this point. Lush special.
Try mine.
No, not after that face.
I said try mine.
Yeah, that's a farmer's market soap. That's a Lush bath bomb. That's a
Bath and Body Works candle.
That's an essential oil aromatherapy diffuser.
Cheers. Is yours good?
Cheers, mom. Thanks for the money. You know that TikTok. Okay, listen, you guys. I don't have a lot of followers on Instagram, and sometimes people comment on these videos and they ask if they can follow me. And I just want to say, yes, you can follow me. And Lauren, can you put something up here that says Instagram at Miranda Claire for you?
Can do, biatch. Miranda and I have considered starting a podcast. Would you listen to it? Tell us at Miranda Claire for you at Instagram.com. I'm twisting my ponytail, like, you know when that was a thing?
Yeah.
You made a ponytail and you.
I don't think it looks like you think it will.
No! Everything was so tasty so far, and I poured too much in this.
What can even remedy that? Like just a lot of lemons?
Oh, that's what I was gonna say. We can go to ranch. Deep dish pizza that comes with ranch because it's Detroit style. I'm just saying, look at how much ice we've had. There's still plenty. Scoop ready.
Oh, you know what I love about, did this scoop come with it?
Yeah.
You know what I love about it? Like if you have a big ice scoop and then you try to, it's just a mess, it's gonna go everywhere. It's like it goes right into the glass.
Yeah. They think through things.
So ergonomic.
So we've tried the gin, we've drunk a lot of it. That's a solid amount. We're gonna go order some pizza. Go check out the link below for the New Air Nugget ice maker.
Go follow me on Instagram.